welcome to Aspiring Writer Academy. I'm Samantha Panzera, and I teach the tech and marketing side of things here. And today I am so excited to be talking to you about how to insert a QR code into your paperback novel. In this tutorial, I'm formatting a book in Microsoft Word, and I'm showing how you can insert a QR code that links to your other novels you've written, making it easy for readers to scan with their phones your book and buy your other works, a QR code where you can get people to sign up for your email newsletter list, and more. Okay, let's get to the video. Real fast before getting into the tutorial, I wanted to show how it looks in the back of a paperback book. Right here I have an example from one of my mom's novels, Author Darlene Panzera, and you can see in the back of her book, in the back matter, by each book cover of her other stories, I included a QR code that people can scan to instantly be taken to the book page on her website, or if you wanted, you could make the QR code take directly to a sales page on Amazon or Barnes & Noble or other online retailers. It's a great way when people finish your story to be able to scan the QR code of your other books that you've written and potentially get more book sales. In addition to having QR codes linked to the other books that you've written, you can also have QR codes for getting readers to sign up on your offer newsletter. Like right here is an example of a page that I created where underneath the newsletter sign up, there's a QR code that people can scan and instantly be taken to the email newsletter sign up page. That's a very easy way you can get readers onto your email mailing list. If you have a freebie, a free book that you want to give away, you can have a QR code linking to that, and that can easily get readers on your mailing list. At the end of your novel, have a QR code linking directly to your book where readers can leave a review. And so if you link directly to either your book page or Amazon, Barnes & Noble, you can have a QR code that links directly where they can leave a review. So right here in Microsoft Word, inserting a QR code, I'm going to turn on this little Pilcrow icon here, and that shows the little paragraph marks where I can see where I'm inserting my QR code. I'm going to remove that demo one. Going up to the home ribbon, I'm going to click Insert, and I'm going to click Pictures, select this device, and right here I have all my QR codes. I'm going to select my Leave a Review for Golden Horizons QR. I'm going to select that and click Insert. Now, if your QR code comes out a little too large, don't worry about that. Just right-click on your image and go down to Size and Position. And from there, you can adjust the size. You can try 1 inch by 1 inch. That's a nice size. You could make it slightly larger. For example, if you were to go Size and Position, you could try maybe 1.2 by 1.2. Just remember to keep all the QR codes that you insert into your manuscript a consistent size. And so whatever you set for one, try to keep it the same for your other QR codes. So I think that looks good. And so that is where people can easily scan the QR code and leave a review once they're done reading the story. Right here can add a email newsletter sign up, and just showing again the process: insert, pictures, this device, newsletter sign up, and click Insert, right click Size Position, and then 1.2, click OK. And so you can repeat the process for all your other QR codes, other things you can do with them. You can include a first chapter of one of your other stories. So right here is a first chapter of a book in the back matter. And scrolling down at the end of that first chapter, can insert a QR code where people can continue to read that story. So going back to the book previewer, you can see having QR codes included in the end of your back matter is a great way of getting readers to leave reviews, to sign up for your email newsletter list, and to potentially purchase your other books. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this tutorial helped you insert a QR code into your manuscript. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you want some help with your own story, be sure to download our free Brainstorming Your Story Idea worksheet. I'll have the link to that in the description below. It's packed with fill-in-the-blank templates and story examples to help you get started brainstorming your novel. Okay, catch you next time.